new YouTuber, it is so important to focus on improving your channel every single day, because an improved channel means a better performing channel. And a better performing channel brings more traction, more views, more subscribers, and yes, those golden 4,000 watch hours you are working towards. But there is more to it. An improved channel is a sign of seriousness. So you better act on it before it's too late and start enjoying the benefits that comes with it. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Learn with Lydia. I hope you guys are doing great. Here we learn about YouTube growth tips. If this is a video you'd love to watch, do well to like and subscribe. Drop a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share this video for everybody else to get to watch and learn from these mind-blowing tutorials. First things first, to improve on your YouTube channel, you need to work on your thumbnails. For those who don't know, a thumbnail is that first picture you see before you click on a YouTube video. It is the first thing people see, and trust me, if it doesn't grab attention, people will scroll past your video. So, use bright colors, clear images, and big readable texts while creating your thumbnail. Also, make sure it hints on the story without giving it all. In case you don't know how to create a click-worthy thumbnail, make good use of YouTube. YouTube is a search engine. Search for videos of how to create click-worthy thumbnails and you will learn from there. Trust me, you will learn one or two things. The second thing you need to do to improve on your channel is to craft better titles. I mean keyword optimized titles. Make sure you create titles that are both searchable and readable. Always try and use curiosity-driven words like how to or secrets. The easiest way you can come up with a great title is to use ChatGPT. Always make good use of ChatGPT. It can help you generate a good keyword optimized title plus a description for your video. This way, your video and your channel will be on an improved version. What do I mean by that? YouTube itself will be recommending your videos. The third thing you need to do to improve on your YouTube channel is to hook viewers. Hook viewers within the first 10 seconds. Make sure your hooks keep viewers glued to your video till the end. It is the kind of hook that you use that will either keep or make someone watch your video till the end. When the hook is boring, trust me, they won't watch. Tell them about what they will get, show excitement, and get straight to the point. It is as simple as that. The fourth thing you need to do to improve on your YouTube channel is to be consistent. Consistency is like a practice that makes perfect. Creators who are consistent on their uploads improves on their presentation skills, which can be beneficial for professional settings, thus improving your YouTube channel. Consistency also builds trust. If you upload randomly once every few months, it is hard to build momentum. Pick a schedule once a week or twice a week, whatever you can handle, and stick to it. The fifth thing you need to do is to engage with your audience. Always try your level best to engage with your audience. By replying to comments, ask viewers questions. As a new YouTuber, your comments are still not very many. So try your level best and reply to all the comments. It is a good thing to do. Ask viewers questions in your video and build a real community. When people feel they are heard, they are more likely to stick around. And YouTube notices that engagement too. Lastly, study your analytics. You don't have to guess what's working. YouTube literally tells you. Check your click-through rates, watch time, and audience retention. If something is working, double down on it. If not, tweak and test again. Here is a short screen recording of how you can study your YouTube analytics.
This is going to be a brief tutorial of your YouTube analytics. Remember, if you want to have a successful YouTube channel, you also need to fall in love with your YouTube analytics so that you can be able to find out what's working or not and improve from there. So, to study your YouTube analytics, go to your YouTube Studio dashboard. On your YouTube Studio dashboard, click on Analytics. Under the Analytics, you will see the overview, content, audience, and trends. Overview is a general performance of your channel in a particular period of time. For example, this is a new channel that started operating towards the end of January, and you can see this overview is from the last 28 days. And that is what we are going to master here. Yes, from the last 28 days, as you can see the views that this channel has been able to gather. The views in the last 28 days is 1.4. The watch time is 20.5. And the subscribers, the green arrow pointing up, is a good sign that this channel is growing. Then come to content. Under the content, we have the views, impressions, click-through rates, and average duration. In the last 28 days, this channel has been able to gather 990 views. At the same time, it has been able to gather 20.4K impressions. Impressions simply refers to the number of times your video thumbnail is shown to someone on YouTube, and that has been 2004 times for the last 28 days for this channel. Then we have the impressions click-through rate. Impression click-through rate is 3.4%. Impression click-through rate is the percentage of people who clicked your thumbnail after seeing it. As you can see here, the impression click is 3.4%. View duration tells you how long people watched your video on average. You can also move down to see more. Here you can see more features in your analytics. You can see your traffic source, where your traffic is coming from. You can see the geography, where views are coming from, cities, even the age. You can see the age of people who are watching your videos. You can also see the content type and many more. We are not going to dive deeper into those because this was just a brief tutorial. Then we can move to audience. Let's click on audience and see. Under the audience, we have returning viewers. Returning viewers are people who have watched your channel before and they came back. You can see there are only 8. Like I said, this is a new channel. Then we have unique viewers. Unique viewers are estimated number of people who watch your video during that period, which is the last 28 days, and that is 758, as you can see. Then we have the subscribers, the number of people who clicked the subscribe button. These are people who also choose to follow you. You can see they are plus 21. They are increasing. Then we move to trends. Under the trends, here is where you can get your video ideas. You can get ideas for your next video. You can also find out what people are looking for, and it makes it easier for you to know what to create your content around. Just choose your niche and see what's trending in your niche. Then create content around what people are looking for. And that's it for today's analytics.
There you have it. Simple steps that can seriously level up your YouTube channel. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.